So as you see on our homepage of downloads, we have download the latest version for Windows. If you have a Windows, you have to download this. If you have Linux or Unix, you click there, you'll see the file and how to download it. So if you have Mac OS, you also come to download this according to the platform that you have. But for us, let's download this Python for Windows. As you see now, we have it. We can install it. So let us install it. You see, now install Python. It's a version 3 minus. No, not minus 3.13.3. So now we are going to select, let's Python. Let's add this Python.txt to the path environment, and let's select customization, where we can choose where to install the Python, the things that we are going to install. As you see, there's documentation pipe. This pipe is used for installing Python package manager. So let's continue. Let's install it for all users. Let's keep it the same. So now we can close. So after that, you can check if we have already installed the Python. CMD or command prompt and type Python -version. Now you see we have a successfully installed the Python. Guys, I'm going to teach you many things about Python. Do subscribe if you are more interested. Thank you.